Hello dear children, this is teacher Padma. Today I'll be covering second and the third objective of the same lesson, that is who will do this work. In the previous video I've explained about cleanliness and about the people who do this cleaning jobs. So in this video we'll study about Gandhiji, Baba Sahib Ambedkar and about untouchability. So let's get started. We all know who is the father of a nation. Yes or no, students? He is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Father of a nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu and Mahatma. Mahatma meaning great soul. In his life, he practiced non-violence, simplicity, peace, truth, and faith in God. In his early years, he was deeply influenced by the stories of Shravana and Harishchandra. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar and died on 30th January 1948. He helped free Indians from British rule through non-violent resistance. He once said, "Sanitation is more important than independence." Gandhiji dwelt on cleanliness and good habits and pointed out its close relations to good health. Gandhiji strongly and repeatedly condemned the Indian practice of hiring people from the low caste who were once called untouchables to clean out these public toilets or collect waste. Now you all must be wondering why suddenly I started with this topic, untouchability. Yes or no, students? So let's read this story first. You can pause this video and read this story. Remembering those days. Now, it's a story from the book in Gujarati by Narayan Bhai Desai. Okay. When Narayan Babla was about 11 years old, he was staying in Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram. Now this Sabarmati Ashram is also known as Gandhi Ashram and it's in Ahmedabad, that is in Gujarat. It was found on May 25th, 1915. Birth of Khadi as a national and Gandhian symbol was at this ashram. So this ashram is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Now, like everyone else in the ashram, even he had to do various kinds of work, and one of his job was to teach the guests how to clean the toilets. In those days, the toilets were not what we have today. Now, there used to be holes under which baskets were kept, and people sat on the holes, and later the baskets had to be lifted up by hand to be emptied. And it was the usual practice that people from a particular community would do this work. But in Gandhiji's ashram, that is Sabarmati Ashram, every person had to carry the basket to the compost pit and empty it there. No one was excused from this task, not even the guest. Narayan Bhai remembers how some people used to try and avoid this work, and some even left the ashram because of this reason. Some years later, what happened? Gandhiji went to stay at a village near Wardha, that is in Maharashtra. Gandhiji, his friend Mahadev Bhai Desai and others started to clean the toilets in that particular village, that is where in Wardha. Then what happened? They did this for some months. What happened? One morning, a man coming from the toilet saw Mahadev Bhai Desai. He pointed to him and said, "There is a lot of dirt over there. You please go and clean that." Babla saw this and he got very angry. He thought the villagers felt that this was not their work. Meaning, now in that village, the people, the high caste people, they thought this is whose work, who was supposed to do this? The lower caste people. Now that person used the toilet, but he wants Mahadev by their side to go and clean that place. If I go and use the toilet, it is my duty to clean that. Yes or no, students? Now that person used the toilet, but now he is telling Mahadev by their side to go and clean that place. When Babla asked about this, Gandhiji replied, untouchability is a serious matter. Lot of hard work will be required to change this. This will not change within one day or say within 1 hour. This will take a lot of time. Narayan knew that the people who usually did this work were thought to be untouchable. Now he asked, what is the use if the people, villagers, do not change their thinking? They have become used to someone else doing this work for them. Now just look at that person who used the toilet. He used, but he is telling someone else, that is Mahadev by their side, to go and clean. That is what Narayan is saying. What is the use? If the people do not change their thinking, they are used to someone else doing this work for them. Then Gandhiji replied, why? Don't you think the people who clean also benefit from it? It is like learning a new skill. They also learn a lesson. But Narayan was still not convinced. He kept arguing with Gandhiji. Those who make a place dirty but do not clean it should also learn lesson. This is what Narayan was saying. If they make the place dirty, they should also learn to clean that place. Gandhiji and Narayan kept arguing about this. But when he grew up, Narayan always followed the path shown by Gandhiji. Now, why Gandhiji and his team started doing the cleaning job in that village? It is because Gandhiji and his team started doing this cleaning job because Gandhiji wanted to remove this practice of untouchability from society, and he also wanted the people to respect each other. He wanted others also to learn this, that is cleaning, this job of cleaning. So that's why Gandhiji and his team started doing the job of cleaning themselves so that others could learn from them. The man who was returning from the toilet talked to Mahadev in a very insulting way and treated him with feeling of hatred. He thought that the people who clean the toilet are from a very low community and are untouchables. So that's why he was so rude to them. Gandhiji wanted to change this only. He wanted people to respect each other. Gandhiji used to say that every person should do every kind of work. If everyone starts doing all kinds of work, then no work will be considered low or disrespectful. There will be equality among the people. No one will feel superior or inferior. No one will insult anyone. And everyone will become independent. Now here see, he dirtied the place. He used the toilet, but now he wants them to clean. He is dependent on them. Gandhiji wanted to change this. He wanted people to become independent. Gandhiji once said, sanitation is more important than independence. Gandhiji dwelt on cleanliness and good habits and pointed out its close relations to good health. Now, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi have also launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or the Clean India Mission to honor a father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji wanted to make sanitation a priority for India. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is working towards that mission.